Yun yung about sa track. Okay, so meron tayong long track. Okay, we have two track layouts sa Speedway. We have the long track. Ito yung biggest race sa kanila sa Pilipinas. Okay, 4.2 kilometers yung overall length nito. Okay, so after ng session, meron tayong experience. Okay, for now, dito muna tayo sa car track. Okay, so same thing pa rin yung my experience. Different kinds of corners. May slow, fast corner, twisties. Okay, so kaya first session natin is to be familiarized with that. Okay, and sa bike na gano'n. Okay, yan yung first session natin. Ikot muna natin kayo sa bike. Okay, so ito yung car track. Okay, mas technical to actually compared sa big track. Okay, so ito yung track entry. So for example, naiwan kayo ng lead or ng group. Okay, so kung napasok tayo, always look on your right side. Okay, kasi ito yung last order. Okay, para maiwasan lang natin mas-word kung may ilang yung right. Okay, and then pit entry. Okay, saan binibigay yung red flag? Dito binibigay yung flag. Okay, dito kayo makakita ng flag. Okay, so kung nakakita kayo ng red flag and then may pataas yung speed nyo, okay, magmadali pumasok agad na mag-serve to left. Okay, so baka may rider nasa left side nyo, pwede pa kayo dito na isang left. Okay, and then kung papasok naman kayo, raise your left para signal rush sa rider sa left. Okay, so mamaya makikita nyo lahat yan sa warm-up natin. May warm-up naman tayo. Okay, okay, so meet the motorcycle. Okay, so ito yung lahat ng controls ng bike. Okay, so clutch, front brake, throttle, handlebar, shifter, rear brake. Okay, for now, sa warm-up natin, sa fourth session, 1 gear lang muna tayo. Third gear lang muna tayo all the way. Okay, why 1 gear? Para mas focus nyo yung cornering and yung drills gagawin natin. So no need to think about the gears. Okay, third gear lang muna tayo all the way. Okay, siyempre first gear na take off. Okay, first gear, second gear, third gear. Okay, so third gear lang muna tayo all the way para more time to focus, corners, and sa drills. Okay, and then other controls of bike, explain sa. Okay, so isa brakes, more pag dito tayo sa track, sa ganitong speed, all of the time ang ginagamit natin is more on front brake. Okay, bakit front brake? Kasi yan yung pinakamalakas sa stopping power ng bike. Okay, sa ganitong speed. Okay, kung sa traffic slow speed, ano rear brake. Okay, pero dito ganitong speed, more on front. Okay, ang brakes, pag-set nyo ng speed. Okay, so hindi pa kayo happy sa speed, approaching sa turn, direction nyo, just use the brakes. Okay, sa lahat ng controls ng bike, yung this smooth. Okay, so next. Yeah. So first session natin, we warm-up lap or track intro. Okay, so slow ride, feel and familiarize the bike and the track. Okay, so may mga phone markers dyan inside the track. Mamaya after the warm-up, i-explain ko sa inyo. Okay? So, while following the instructor, rider sa in front, sa rider sa harapan nyo, give space. Okay? Huwag sa rin. Okay? 1 bike space, 2 bike space. Allowance. Okay? And then, meron tayong hand signal. Okay? Ano yung hand signal natin? So, kami mga instructor, pag natap na yung gear or tail ng bike, meaning focus and follow. Okay? So, may focus was sasakay kayo ng bike, make sure nyo na 100% focus kayo. Okay? Kasi any drill or technique na papaturo namin sa inyo, hindi kayo business. Okay? And once you follow, okay, one line lang. Avoid going on different direction. Okay? Follow, one line. Okay? Kung saan direction pupunta yung fish. Okay? And then, next, release namin yung left hand, open yung hand, slow down. Okay? If something sa track or papasok tayo na slow down. Basta huwag ganito slow down. Okay? And then, pag ganito naman, binibig namin forward, take the lead. Okay? So ngayong warm-up, papaunahin namin kayo isa-isa. Okay? So once you take the lead, maintain your comfortable speed. Okay? So hindi natin goal dahil nasa race track tayo or push ka agad ng speed. Okay? Doon lang tayo sa comfortable ng speed dahil first time sa track is a bike with more familiarize. Okay? And ang focus natin dito is yung drills and minors. Okay? So once you take the lead, try to familiarize mo na yung bike. Okay? And then we have 2 sighting laps every session. So only 2 sighting laps to warm up our tires. Okay? So para makuha natin yung tamang temperature ng tires. Okay? So meron kasi tayo tinatawag na cold tires, lalo kung ng puro corners. Malamig yung gulong, less yung weight. Okay? Tires. Okay? So 2 sighting laps. Warm up our tires. Okay? So after this briefing, figure out the tire. Okay? So may questions? Any questions?
Ilang lap sa ano? Isang session.
15 to 20. So, madami yun.
Madami.
Oo, madami yun. Dito pa lang yung short track. Siguro mga 8 to 10 laps.
Okay.
Madami.
Dami pa rin.
Yes. Kaya, kung pagod na kayo, pwede kayo pumasok. Okay? Just, yun. And stay hydrated. Okay? So, any questions pa? Wala?
Susunod ba kami sila?
Yes. And then, 1 by 1 paunahin natin. Okay? And take the turns or corners slow in. Okay? Slow in lang muna. Okay? Huwag nyo muna rush yung mga corners. Okay?
After speed.
Sorry? Speed. Actually, sa speed din lang sa comfortable din na speed. Papasyal muna tayo ng track. Okay? Wala talagang minimum speed. Okay? Kung yun lang, comfortable nyo lang na ride. Okay? Meron pa questions? Okay na? And enjoy. Okay, enjoy. Okay? Enjoy. Huwag niyo kabahan. Enjoy. Okay? So, gear up na tayo. Kat-turn namin yung gears. And mark waiver ka muna. So, playing the grandstand, stand the waiver. Okay? So, hintayin lang kayo sa mga... si Seth may sarili ng gears na.
Meron.
Meron ako, sir.
Okay. So, wait lang tayo. Ready ko yung gears.
So, pwede na rin ako mag-base coach na?
Yes,
Doon sa
already.
baba. Okay. Ay, nasa marami pa lang. Stop recording. Stop recording.